Alrighty, so this is a diagram of the proposed Blue Wave car wash and how it will apply to the existing Dutch Brothers location and how it should help out the traffic pattern. Even though they are adding a new business, it should actually help the traffic at Dutch Bros and make things flow a lot better. So here is Elk Grove Boulevard up here, and this is East Stockton. All right, so here is the entrance to go into Dutch Bros. Currently, the cars enter and then make a quick right turn, and so that's what causes traffic to sometimes get backed up out here onto East Stockton. So now with this new plan, it will force the cars into this lane right here, and it's going to go all the way around here and then over towards the Dutch Bros, which is right here. After they are done, they will come out this way and stick in this far right lane and go all the way out, and then they will turn in here and get back out onto East Stockton. So this first right lane, this will be just for the Dutch Bros. The second lane is for the cars that will be going back here to the car wash, which will be back here closer to the freeway. And then this far lane here, this will be the exit lane for the car wash and for the Dutch Bros. So even though they are adding an extra business, but by making these improvements in here, it's going to take the Dutch Bros traffic off of East Stockton and get these cars into this lot where it should make things flow much easier. So this second diagram is just a more realistic view of how things will actually look. So again, this is East Stockton in here. Here's your Dutch Bros. So the cars will make a right turn here, get into this far right lane, go around the tree, come back here, and then go into the Dutch Bros drive-through. After they get out of the drive-through, then they will come back along this fence, go around the tree, and then come back out here and exit out here. And so this fence here, this will also help to keep any kind of trash from getting into the cemetery. And here is the car wash is back here. So and then also, since the car wash will also be using this land here, so they will also help to keep that area much cleaner than it is currently right now.